We're at Sherwin Williams. This one's in Leesville, Louisiana, and we're going to get some paint match. This is from our interior doors. We built our house in 2003, and I can't remember the paint color. Sherwin Williams keeps a record of our purchases, but it only goes back about 10 years. They actually checked this for me anyway because we have a commercial account here, and ours went back to 2006, so we don't know. So I asked Eric for a little coin-sized piece to go in their machine inside, and this is, luckily I'm not toting the whole door in, this is what he's got for me. So we're going to bring this in, and they're going to match this color and sell us a gallon of paint so that we can go home and not have to paint the trim of the entire hallway just because we're replacing our doors. So we're going to go inside and see how that goes. This is our Sherwin Williams buddy David here in Leesville, and he's putting our sample in their little machine there. And while I was out there griping out Eric about it not being the size of a coin, David actually tells me it's better if the piece is a little bit bigger. At least I didn't bring in the whole door, right? He's already looked at it and found that it has more of an eggshell finish than a semi-gloss, so that's what we're going to decide on. And we decided which paint we wanted to use, and I think he may be going to tell us the color. Or how that works. I don't know. Do you put like numbers that come off of the machine in there now?
It'll scan it, and I'll save it in the computer
cool.
To the match, and then I'll document it as such, and we'll save it in the computer that way.
Okay, awesome. And then we're gonna make a gallon of paint that color. I'll come back for that part. Okay, David has this finished for us, and looky there. When you're staring at it real close like this with the camera, it's still wet right now. It may look a tad lighter, and he said he always goes a little bit light just in case and can add more, but we actually like it just like that. This door was probably dirty anyway, so there you go. I think it's gonna be perfect. And they can also, I mean, this was a Sherwin Williams color to begin with, and that's paint, y'all. I ain't got dirty fingernails, but this was a Sherwin Williams color to begin with. But you can bring anything in here, and they will, competitors' products and things like that too, and they will match it, and then you know you're going to get a good paint. That's the thing, is we're not going to go buy paint at some mass market store and not know what you're going to end up going home and putting 2 or 3 or 4 coats before you get good coverage. We're always going to go for the good paint, so we're going to come here, and if you're starting to redo something that you didn't paint the first time, just bring it here and they will match it, and you can go home and feel good about that paint lasting a long time. So there we go. It's our custom color mix. It's now saved permanently in their system. So if you want to get this color at your Sherwin Williams, then we can probably find that out for you. Thanks.